What's up YouTube? I recently got this device and I fell absolutely in love with it. I'm very surprised with the Switch capabilities and I want to show it off and show you what settings I'm using. And I have for one specific game settings, or actually a mod or a hack that I'm using to fix a common issue that occurs with the shrines. We'll go through that when I get to it. That's Breath of the Wild, probably the most requested one too. So let's get started. The game that I put probably the most amount of hours in is either Dave or Zelda. We're gonna start with Dave. Dave the Diver. This is one of the few games that I actually put on the default system drivers. You can put it on a different Qualcomm driver that's higher. I don't notice any differences. It crashed once with... Give me a second, I need to turn on something. Show tabs. Yeah, there it is. Got it. I'm still new to this. This is my first video doing this, so... I think I set it up correctly. So yeah, now you can see what I'm pointing at. This is the Qualcomm driver. That's the one I have installed. It's a higher version. I had it crash one time with this one, and the performance is, as far as I can tell, identical. So I just stick with the default one when it works. The settings. I'll go through the settings, but I'll also put them on screen. Pretty much everything is default. I use async shaders pretty much every single time when it doesn't impact anything negatively, because it's just a better experience. But some games do show noticeable graphical glitches. And this game runs on dock mode. I keep it on standard most of the time. Only time I didn't keep it on standard was the first time, because it was compiling shaders so much. I just let it compile, and the first 15 minutes of playing it was noticeable, and after that I didn't have any issues. I lost all my saves for this game because I tried installing Yuzu. I'm probably gonna repeat this a million times in the video, but I tried installing Yuzu, Sudachi, Pine, and all kinds of emulators. I uninstalled Citron on accident. So I'm back to basics. Just gonna show off a little bit. So this is a 1080p because it's dock mode, and the performance is identical. I absolutely love this game. I don't know why, it's just so calming. It's maybe also just easy, and there's no rush. I can just play this, set it to pause, lock the screen, and come back to it when I have the time to continue. Wait, oh, it wants to follow it. Yeah, sure. Not that fast. So yeah, it's pretty much locked at 30 FPS. I'm assuming that's what the game runs. Oh yeah, you gotta wait. Sorry, I need this. I think that's what the game is supposed to run at, but it's pixel art, low motion. It runs completely fine. It's not noticeable. I wouldn't even set this to 60 for if I had to choose, just to save on battery. I don't remember what I picked up. I don't even know if I did pick it up. Let's help out. Oh shit! I'm gonna phone call. Oops, sorry for the interruption. My beautiful wife gave me a call. Let's continue. Oh yeah, we were doing important things. Saving the dolphin. There we go. I'm probably gonna finish this and then cut out the rest, because you guys are probably not interested in watching me play this for 5 minutes. Oh, it left me a gift. What is it? Oh, I need to pick it up. No! Come here! Where you go? No! Gotcha. There are a few different ways of catching fish in this game. When you have like a special harpoon, and one of them is just like mashing buttons. The other one is just moving the joystick left and right, like very fast. And I feel like this is probably the game that's gonna be super responsible for killing my top 6. Oh, I didn't even see them. That's a fatty. Oh, no. Oh, shit. No, wait. I didn't even see him. Oh, this is the first time I'm playing with headphones. There's actually directional audio. I never noticed that. Okay, don't pick that one up. Made that mistake before. Many times. Oh! Am I the only one who thinks every single Mario game feels the same? They just They just feel like new levels to the same game. The delete save data is so close to the delete save data, but I've been pressing that one so many times. Start. Oh, work now. Okay. So I tested this out with the driver 9v2, third driver, and one guy on Reddit told me to test this one out. One other guy agreed, so let's see how right he is. I have never seen someone else suggest this specific driver for this device. Place this character. Yes, I only know Mario, so we're going with Mario. Come on, let's go. Does the story matter in Mario? Do people play this for the story? I believe in you. I guess the guy was right. I had zero faith in what he said. This one random person on Reddit said, "No, try this." No one else said that. It's not something that has worked for any other game, but he's right, I guess. It worked great. Here at the start is like, and now the next time, yeah, you see, it didn't do it. So just first time it hit that, I hit that block, it did an animation that it didn't know. What are you doing? Oh, he's Vulkan.
What a beautiful day!
I could not play this for long. I don't know. What is this? You fat? Thanks.
That Goomba looks so sweet.
See how that is. I guess it's fun. It's just maybe I'm too old for this. Oh wait, I can suck up the water. That kills them? No, hey. It's running pretty stable. I think it's been at 60 FPS the whole time. I saw it dip down a couple times. When there are a lot of particles, a lot of effects, it does struggle to just go forward, I guess. People like Mario just because it's easy. Because if I'm good at this. Oh, no, don't push me off. Oh, I got a wonder seed. Let's see, how long is this level thing? I want to. Incredible! Game is hyping me up so much. I see how this is fun, but I would not play this for 20, 30 minutes. Yes, let's see, let's save, so I don't have to do this the next time, and then I'll quit this game and go to the next one. Does it save automatically? Alright, wonder seeds are going to be really useful. That's great, because I just got one. Return to title, I guess? Yes? Let's see what's the next one. I'm surprised that this worked. So this specific driver instead of this one. I'm re-recording this bit because I found a way to transfer my Zelda Breath of the Wild save files from my Steam Deck that's running on Cebu, so it was a Wii U emulator, to a Switch format. If anyone is interested, just let me know in the comments. I'll link, find the link to the GitHub to help me out. But I'm using 9v2. It's settings. You can. This is also a case where some people would like it on 0.75 because it just keeps a more stable frame rate. It doesn't drop below 30 most of the times. I use VSync off because I just want to get all the frames that I can, even though it's not as smooth. It's not as consistent. I use async shaders. You can keep this on. I keep it off when I'm on battery because it forces the CPU to stay at a higher clock speed, even though it's not doing a whole lot. But it prevents it from going up and down, which of course takes some time to like increase and lower the clock speed. But yeah, that's just a sacrifice you can make for like trading in battery life or performance. Is it set? Let's set this to high performance. I set it to smart so it doesn't just take off. I would like to keep this thing in my hands. Continue. I'm insanely impressed how this runs. I don't know how it does it. My Steam Deck runs around 30-40 FPS, but that is the Wii U version, and it might just be the progress that they made in Switch Emulation, because I don't know how it does it. It's not perfect, don't get me wrong, but it's very impressive. So if you can deal with a 25-24 FPS, this is perfectly playable in my opinion. Since it's a smaller screen, it doesn't bother me that much. And there's one thing that I want to show you guys. This is the only thing that almost made this not playable for me. Let me see, how do I get to a shrine? So there's this issue. When you enter a shrine, there's a weird graphical glitch. I don't know how to explain it, but if you've used Windows XP and you drag a window, like the trails that it leaves behind, yeah, that, and then just covering everything. It's very annoying, it looks very ugly, and makes it unplayable. But there's a fix for it. I'll show it before and after. Let's go in. I think I can go in one that's already solved, right? I hope so. There we go. I don't even have to try. It doesn't. Well, this one is an open area, so it doesn't do it as much here. But you can see what I'm talking about, right? And in some shrines, it just does it constantly. Like, I think it has something to do with some specific lighting. So yeah, that effect. Let's save. Then we go back, close this, and we gotta go to add-ons. If I don't forget, I feel like I'm gonna forget, but I'll try to put this in the description. I don't know if I can find it, but otherwise I'll just upload it to Google Drive and upload it there, even though I always recommend people not to download stuff from Google Drives, but that's up to you. Turn this one on. It's basically a mod that does something with the cell shading. I don't keep it on all the time, and I'll show you why, because it has some... It changes the visuals. It changes basically the cell shading of the border of Link, and some lighting effects look more plastic, cartoonish. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see it in a second. I don't think it looks as good, but it does fix the issue with the shrines completely. And also, some people have issues with the water rendering. I didn't have that personally, but it also is supposed to fix that. So yeah, that's completely gone. It doesn't do it at all. And maybe you can see it. I don't know. I don't know if the resolution is high enough to show it at all, but yeah, Link looks different. But yeah, that's it. That's the fix. That made this game from kind of annoying and almost not playable to perfectly fine. And it's running at 30 FPS at 1x resolution inside of shrines and outside in more heavy world. Yeah, there should be a blue thing around here. I think the mod also destroys that. But yeah, outside of the shrines, it runs at like around 26, 28 FPS. Yes, please. I would like to leave. So what I do is basically, when I enter the shrine, it's kind of cumbersome, but I go back, I turn the mod on, I go through the shrine, fix the puzzle, hopefully, in not too long time. English is hard. I try to fix the puzzle. Then I go back, I disable it, and launch the game again. It's cumbersome, but if this is the only way for you to play this game, then I think it's doable. So this is a heavy area. It's raining. There's a lot of foliage. There's like lights in the distance. You can look very far in the distance, which also is like a huge effect. But look at this side, that the FPS is higher than other. Instead of, how do I talk? So quickly, graphics. Let's set this to 0.75. I don't think it's worth it, but I'll leave that up to you to decide. If you rather have like lesser visuals but the higher frame rate, you can definitely do this. There we go. Okay, so we were around 22 almost to about 26 FPS. It's doing some shader work, but yeah, now it's more at 20. Yeah, this area is pretty hefty, but I think it's a good stress test. So it keeps it closer to 30 than it otherwise would. And I haven't been in this area before. I just transferred the save file, so that's why it's dipping down a lot. It's still compiling the shaders, but as soon as it goes back to 30 or around 30. Not perfect, but if it's the only option you can play this game, definitely playable, in my opinion. Next, Super Mario Odyssey. Wow, that's also one where I lost all my saves. I don't have any update or DLC. Oh, I did have an update or DLC. That shouldn't affect this. I kept everything the same except use async shaders. This one's tricky. This one sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. I'm not sure why. Sometimes it crashes and I actually don't know why. I think it's not really playable. But I also seen people having no issues who played this game for hours and hours on this device. Try detaching your Joy-Con. No. Can you guys hear the fan spin? Skip. Yes. Just want to test out the gameplay. It runs okay so far. I think this is still part of a cutscene. This. Wake me up. I'm looking around. 40, 45. The problem with this one is that it's really noticeable when it dips down. It slows down the game significantly instead of just having lower frame rate. The speed of the game actually slows down. I think it does that with every game, but it's especially noticeable with this one. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's just a feeling thing. Who are you? Who are you? Okay, somewhere over here it does crash. Occasionally. But maybe the newer version of Citron fixes. Yes. Yes. Is every Mario game just about defeating Bowser, isn't it? Oh. That's my alarm. I gotta go. Okay. Come on, let me play. Just want to finish this one, and then I gotta run. Oh no, his hat. Whoa!
Oh, come on.
Oh, he's not happy. Wow, how did he do that? That's good. Motion controls also work perfectly. I didn't have to set anything up for that. I'm recording now. I'm with a cable, which is kind of a stiff cable, so maybe I shouldn't do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna destroy either the cable or the port. No! Oh, I got it. The other ones, I don't know why. Usually it would have crashed by now. So I think maybe the newer. Oh, money. Yep. Okay. Save. So now I have to see the cutscene again. Saved. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more games, please let me know in the comments, and I'll look at them and see if I can make another video. This is the first time I'm doing this up video, and I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So please, if you want to help me out, please drop a sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.